Hey guys, is your refrigerator not staying as cool as it used to? Well, there's one easy solution that you should definitely try before you call a repairman. For any fridge or anything that keeps stuff cool, they're gonna have coils. Those coils need to be clean. You wanna clean your coils because they attract a lot of dust. Dog hair, dust bunnies, it sticks to the coils. You gotta keep the coils clean. So let's go and clean our coils. What do you say? So for this job, we're gonna need one of these bad boys. Now, refrigerator coils are not always easy to reach. A lot of them are actually up in tight spaces. So you're gonna need something that you can get into those tight spaces with. One of these angled bristle brushes, these wire bristle brushes, they're fantastic for loosening up all of that lint and whatnot. And then to suck up all that dust is a longer, thinner, bendy tube. So it's gonna be able to get into those tight spaces, suck up all the dust that this guy loosened. Bottom line is, use whatever tools you got, be gentle, but you gotta knock that dust off the coils. Pro tip, have a trash can nearby so you're not carrying dust bunnies all over your kitchen. With the brush, I was able to loosen up all the lint, all the dust. Now I gotta get vacuumed out. Oh, look at that. And that's like only half. Oh my God. George, detention for you. I should be going to fridge jail for neglect. Now I'm just gonna do a little vacuuming. Guys, this is something that is super easy to do. You only have to do it once, twice a year. It takes under 10 minutes. It is going to keep your food fresher. It is going to make your appliances last longer, and is going to get your bills to go lower because the appliances aren't working so hard. It's one of those things where you're like, I just did something. I accomplished something, and I helped me. That's what it's all about.